Hey, today is another adventure in Lee's Thoughts. We are going over the ThermoPro barbecue thermometer. This is great. It's not a wireless thermometer. You have a unit that goes by your barbecue. I mean, it's kind of a wireless thermometer. This unit goes by your barbecue grill, and you have probes that plug into one of them would plug into your meat, and the other one you could plug into another piece of meat if you wanted to, or you could just put it in your barbecue grill, and it would take the temperature of your grill itself. So for that demonstration here, I have some hot water here, and I have some ice water here, right? And so this is on. So I've got both of those probes plugged into this sending unit, and that sending unit then sends to this, which is wireless, and you just turn this on. And then this will sync here in a second. And if you look, hopefully you can see that on there. One's 130 and the other one is 43 degrees. So that way you can see that your meat is 130 degrees, for instance, and your grill is, well, let's say your meat is 43 degrees and your grill is 130 degrees. So, and then you can carry this around with you while you lawn mow or you're drinking with your buddies or things like that. So ThermoPro, very good, very nice for just walking around at a party and grilling. You can keep track of where your meat is at on your barbecue grill. Highly recommend.